Capturing autumn. Fall feels in a cup explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a cozy, heartwarming phrase that you might come across in English, especially during the autumn season. Fall feels in a cup. This expression is a beautiful example of how language can capture the essence of a season and evoke specific emotions. So, grab a warm beverage, and let's explore this phrase together, unraveling its meaning and how you can use it in your conversations. Fall feels in a cup is an idiomatic expression that paints a vivid picture using just a few words. It combines the word fall, which is another name for the autumn season, with feels, a shorthand for feelings or emotions. When these are placed together in the context of in a cup, the phrase evokes the warmth, comfort, and nostalgic feelings associated with autumn. Key components: fall, autumn. This season is known for its distinctive features like cooler temperatures, changing leaves, and a sense of preparation for winter. Feels refers to emotions or feelings that something evokes in a person. In a cup. This part of the phrase suggests that all these autumnal feelings can be captured or experienced through a simple, comforting act, such as drinking a warm beverage. When someone says they're experiencing fall feels in a cup, they're often referring to more than just the physical warmth of a drink. They're talking about an emotional experience that includes the coziness of wrapping your hands around a warm cup on a chilly day, the nostalgia of autumn memories, like walking through a park with leaves crunching underfoot, the sensory experience of autumn flavors and spices, such as pumpkin, cinnamon, or apple. This phrase can symbolize comfort, contentment, and a momentary escape from the hustle and bustle of life, encapsulating the essence of fall into a simple, enjoyable experience. You can use fall feels in a cup in various contexts to express your enjoyment of autumnal vibes through a warm drink. Here are a few examples. Describing a seasonal beverage, this pumpkin spice latte is like fall feels in a cup. Sharing your autumn experience on social media, enjoying a hot apple cider and getting those fall feels in a cup. In conversation, I love how a good chai tea can give you that fall feels in a cup sensation, making everything feel cozier. We hope this exploration of fall feels in a cup has warmed your heart and helped you appreciate the beauty of English expressions. Language has the power to encapsulate the essence of our experiences, and this phrase is a perfect example. So next time you enjoy a warm beverage during the autumn season, remember the rich tapestry of feelings and memories it represents. Thank you for joining us, and may your days be filled with all the cozy, comforting fall feels in a cup you can imagine.